Metal roof, structural glass, Tracy Vega, ARC 114F. I've chosen to use metal roofs and glass in the use in a home. The picture on this slide is the Baltimore Fishbowl house. It was built using glass for exterior walls. They are double paned and it has a metal roof. Appeal and aesthetics. Life expectancy of 10 or metal roofs is 50 plus years. They're fire resistant, adaptable to most roof and home designs. Product can look like wood shakes, slate, or tile. Structural glass absorbs, reflects, refracts, and transmits light, and they're easy to clean. The picture on your left is a retractable wall. It's windows that you can slide open and you bring the outdoors in. They're very popular in Hawaii as they open up the home. They open up the lanai to be an indoor-outdoor space. The picture on the right is a picture of a metal roof. As you can see that it looks exactly like a tiled roof would look, but it's made of metal. Functionality. Interlocking panels offer maximum wind resistance. In traditional roofing, there are problem ceiling, flashings, dead valleys, and transitions. Metal roofing, these problem areas can be flashed with matching metals. Structural glass can be load-bearing. When used in the interior, glass does save space. Picture on your right is a traditional roof where they have the interlocking panels. It also has a nice glass room feature. The picture on your right is a solid wall of seamless glass, and that's an exterior wall, so the views are beautiful. Structural integrity and durability. Low weight will help to preserve structural integrity. Metal roofing is consistent with design and color, which make it easier to match the roof when adding on to the structure. Lightweight material with a good strength to weight ratio. Glass does not rust. It will not degrade by the effects of the environment. The picture on your left is again another picture of metal roofing. It resembles a shingle roofing. And the picture on your right, they've chosen glass as a feature in the ceiling. It's like one continuous skylight, and the walls are all French doors or sliders, and it brings the indoors out. When you're sitting at the table, it makes you feel like you're eating on the outside. Reactions and relationships. Metal roofs have a recycled content of 95%, but at the end of its life, it is 100% recyclable. The cost is higher than traditional roofing, but the energy savings will help in offsetting the cost. Structural glass is 7 times stronger than untreated glass. Glass can also be used decoratively, i.e. stained glass or skylights. The picture on your left is the mini cabin. It's all glass walled and it's in Mohawk, New Jersey. It's an outdoor studio and all the walls have very decorative stained glass. The middle picture is actually a stained glass window from a restaurant called Hawksmoor. It's very Art Deco. And the last picture on your right is a picture of, again, another example of a metal roof. It's obviously very decorative. It does look like a shingled roof. And like with the metal roof, the glass also becomes 100% recyclable when the time is over. Resources: www.classicalmetalroofingsystems.com/about metal roofing, benefits metal roofing, www.structuralglass.org, single post 2016 11/25, glass pros and cons, garpedia.com, advantages, disadvantages, glass building materials, adorablehome.com, smart home, glass homes 33186. Pictures provided by Google Images. When it comes to building a house, I personally would not live in a house where the exterior walls were glass, but there are people that live in remote areas that would enjoy that feature so they can basically be in their home but feeling the effects of being outside. That's the purpose of the one slide that has the sliding doors. It opens up the outside to come in so you can just have one flow, one very cohesive flow out. It is very popular in Hawaii to have your lanai be part of your living. And so they do have movable walls, whether they're glass or they're just a partition wall, but they allow for a person to open it up and basically bring the outdoors in. I wouldn't want to live in a glass house. I think that interior glass walls in limited use would be beautiful. I think you can enhance your structure by using more decorative glass, beautiful stained glass pictures. You can use those on your doors. I have seen them on structures where they're the one um, window that is stationary, has a beautiful stained glass picture in it. So there's other ways to incorporate glass into your feature of what you would like and into your home. You can bring it in many different ways. But if it's what a person wants, maybe what one of our clients would want to have some exterior glass walls, they're obviously something that can be done. So it's good to offer the options, give the client a chance to decide if they want to go, because there is an additional expense when you do have exterior walls that are glass, because for privacy you're going to have to put in some type of a blind system to make sure that your windows can be covered at night. You don't want people staring into your house as they walk by. So there's just different things that would have to be done to give you that private level of privacy you might be looking for. But the option's there to have a glass house.